Guys, in this video, I will show you how to export your website from Lovable. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser, go to lovable.dv, and sign into your dashboard. Locate the specific project you wish to export and click on it to open the overview. Instead of looking for icons at the top, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the plus icon. From the resulting menu, select the GitHub option to begin linking your project. If this is your first time connecting to GitHub, an authorization step will appear. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions so Lovable can create a repository for your site. Once connected, click the View on GitHub button to be redirected to your new repository. This page acts as your home base for all project files and version history. To grab a local copy, click the green Code button located at the top right of the page and select Download Zip from the drop-down menu. GitHub will package your files into a single archive, which you can find in your computer's Downloads folder. So that's basically how you can export your website from Lovable. That's it for this video. Thanks!